Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing about the brain teasers of cubes and cube roots. Now coming to the question number 3, write the cubes of all natural numbers between 1 and 10 and observe the pattern. So you know the cubes of numbers from 1 to 10, isn't it? Now we have to see the pattern. Now 1 cube is 1. Next 2 cube is equal to 8. That means 1 is a first odd number. Next odd number is 3. The next odd number is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. Now 3 cube is 27. Now after 5, next odd number is 7 plus 9 plus 11. See here one odd number, here two odd numbers. When you add, you get the cube of the second 2 cube. Now next 3 odd numbers, their sum, you get 3 cube. Next it is 4 cube, it is 64. After 11, it is 13. 4 odd numbers. Okay, 4. So 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19. Next it is 5 cube is 125. After 19, it is 21 plus 23. 5 we have to write. 21, 23, 25. 27 and 29. Now 6 cube is 216. 29. Next odd number is 31. Now we have to write 6 odd numbers. 31, 33, 35, 37, 39 and 41. Now 7 cube is 343, 41. Now it is 43. Now 7 odd numbers, 43, 45, 47, 49, 51, 53, 55. Next is 8 cube is 512, 55 here. Now 57. And we have to write 8 odd numbers. 57, 59, 61, 63, 65, 67, 69, 71. And next is 9 cube is 729. Now 9 odd numbers. Last is 71, next is 73, 75, 77, 79, 81, 83, 85, 87, 89. Now last is 10 cube, that is 1000. 89. Now we will write 91, 93, 10 you have to write, 91, 93, 95, 97, 99, 101, 103, 105, 107 and 109. So write in this order only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the pattern of the cubes of the numbers from 1 to 10. Now coming to the find the cubes of 0.6. 0.6 the whole cube. The cube of 6 is how much? 216. So you can write multiplied 3 times 0. Now 216, you know, 1 decimal, 3 decimal. Answer, the cube will have 3 decimal places. Now minus 3.1, minus 3.1, minus 3.1. When you multiply, the answer is 31. 31 cube is 29791. 29791. 31 cube. Now the sign is minus because negative, cube is negative. Now the decimal, 1 decimal, cube will have 3 decimals. 1, 2, 3. So answer is minus 29.791. Now here the minus 0.01, minus 0.01, minus 0.01. Now 1 cube is 1, but the answer, the cube will have how many decimal places? Here it is 2 decimal, answer will have 6 decimals. Yes or no? 1 decimal, the answer will have 3 decimal. 2 decimal, then the answer will, the cube will have the 6 decimals. So the sign is minus 0.5 zeros we have to put, isn't it? Then 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it clear? We have completed the question number 4. Now coming to the question number 5. Find the value of the following cube roots. Okay, cube root of 0.008. How much it will be? 0.008. 8 cube root is 2. 3 decimals. So answer will have 1 decimal. Direct, it is 0.2. Okay, now the cube root of minus 64 upon 1331. So minus 64 upon cube root of 1331. 64, whose is it? It is a 4. So the answer, the numerator will be minus 4. 1331 is of 11. So the answer is minus 4 by 11. Now the third sum, it is a cube root of 27 into cube root of 2744. Okay. So here we have to find out and then multiply. So you know cube root of 27 is how much? 3. No need of doing. 2744. Check. It is 2, 1s are 2, 3s are 6, 7s are 14, 2s are 4. 2, 6s are 12, 8s are 16, 6s are 12. 2, 3s are 6, 4s are 8, 3s are 6, 3, 4, 3 is of 7, 49s are 7, 7s are 7, 1s are. So this is of cube root of 2 cube into 7 cube. It is 3 into 2 into 7. 3 2s are 6, 6 7s are 42. Okay. Hope you understood these sums. That was question number 5. Now coming to the question number 6. Find the smallest number which when multiplied with the 3600 to make a product of the perfect cube and find the cube root. Again we have to find the cube root. Okay, it is 3600. It is 3600. 2 1s are 8s are 00. 2 9s are 00. 2 3s are 00. Okay. Now it is a 2 4s are 8. Sorry. It is 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10 and 0. Okay. Now it is again 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, 5s are 10. Now not with 2, you have to try with 3. 7 8 9, so 3 7s are 21, 1 remains, so 5s are 15. Again 3 2s are 6, 1 remains, 5s are 25, 5s are 15, you got 25, that means 5 5s are 5 1s are. Okay, only one number is in triplets. So, you will be writing 2 cube. Now, 2 is separate. Now, 3 square, isn't it? Then 5 square. Little bit confusing, so better understand. 2 cube, then 2, then 3 square, then 5 square. Okay. Now, these are not in triplets. So, which is the number to be multiplied? Answer 3600 must be multiplied by, here only 1 2 is there, we want 2 extra, 2 square, extra 2 you need, isn't it? So 2 times 2, here 3 square is there, that means 1 3 you need. Here 5 square is there, extra 1 5 is needed. Are you understanding? So here only 1 2 is there, we need 2 extra 2's. 3 square is there, 1 extra 3 is needed. 5 square is there, we need 1 extra 5. So when you multiply, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 6 10s are 60. So 3600 must be multiplied by 60 so that the product is a perfect cube. So in the worksheets we have seen only one number to be divided or multiplied, but here we have got the 3 numbers. So you have to be careful. Like this also you will get. Okay, now you see the cube root of the product they have asked. So what is the product? 3600 was the number. We have to multiply by 60. You got the product to be 1 2 3 zeros, 6 6 are 36, 6 3s are 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, you got the product 216,000. Now find out the cube root. 216,000. How to find out? Easy method is cube root of 216 and cube root of 1000. Isn't it? This can be written as 216 and 1000. That means 216 is of 6 and 1000 is of 10. So the answer is 60. Hope you understood this. So you have to be careful about the extra factors, whatever, the prime factors, whatever is not there, you have to find out and find the product and then the cube root of the product. Now coming to evaluate the cube root of, cube root of 0.027 upon 0.008. Okay, first multiplied by 1000, so you'll get 27 upon 8. Yes or no? 27 upon 8. Then here cube root of 27 upon 8. Now this one, square root of 0.09 upon 0.04 multiplied by 100, we'll get square root of 9 by 4. Okay. Now write the question. The cube root of 0.027 upon 0.008 divided by square root of 0.09 upon 0.04 minus 1. This is a question. So write whatever you got, cube root of 27 upon 8 divided by square root of 9 by 4 minus 1. Okay. Now cube root of 27 by 8. Cube root of 27 is how much? 3 by 8. Cube root of 8 is 2. समझ में आ गए? Cube root of 27 is 3. Cube root of 8 is 2. Divide by sign. Now square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 4 is 2 minus 1. Now division you have to do. So 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 is 1 minus 1. Answer is 0. Hope you understood. So first remove the decimals and you got cube root of 27 by 8 divided by square root of 9 by 4 minus 1. Cube root of 27 by 8 is 3 by 2. Division sign. Square root of 9 by 4 is 3 by 2 minus 1. 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. When you divide the number by itself, then it is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay. That was question number 7. Now coming to the last sum, that is a estimation method. Guess the cube root. Guess means estimate. Okay. The cube root of 6859. Write the question 6859. First group. Then this is the second group. Isn't it? Next, first group will have the number 859. 859. So ones digit is what? 9. Means which number has 9 in the cube? 9 cube is 729. So it will be, answer will have ones place 9. Okay. Now second group, it is 6. So 6 comes between 1 and 8, that is 1 cube and 2 cube. Now we have to put 1 in the tens place. So answer, cube root of 6859 is 19. समझ में आया? पहले ग्रुपिंग करो 3 डिजिट का राइट साइड से, फर्स्ट ग्रुप. सो फर्स्ट ग्रुप में एंडिंग में द डिजिट इज 9. सो 9 किसके क्यूब में वंस के प्लेस में है, चेक करो. 9 क्यूब इज 729. तो इसका मतलब वंस के प्लेस में कौन सा वाला डिजिट आएगा? 9. मतलब जो भी नंबर 6859 के क्यूब रूट में वंस के प्लेस में 9 आएगा. और सेकेंड ग्रुप में नंबर इज 6. सो 6 कम्स बिटवीन विच 2 क्यूब्स? 1 and 8. 1 किसका है? 1 क्यूब. 8 किसका है? 2 क्यूब. छोटा वाला डिजिट डालने का. नाउ कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट, 1 2 1 6 7. This is the first group. 12 is the second group. Okay. Okay, first group number is 167, isn't it? So ones digit is what? 7. So किसके क्यूब में 7 is in the ones place? It is a 3 cube is equal to 27. So 7 किसके क्यूब में है? 3. So the answer, वंस के प्लेस में क्या नंबर आएगा? 3. क्यों? क्योंकि 3 क्यूब इज 27. सो 7 किसके क्यूब के वंस प्लेस में है. ओके. नाउ सेकेंड ग्रुप में आया नंबर 12. नाउ 12 इज बिटवीन which 2 cubes? It is 8 and 27. That is 2 cube and 3 cube. अभी छोटा नंबर टेंस में डालो. तो आंसर, क्यूब रूट ऑफ 12167 is equal to 23. Okay, so that was a question number 2. Now coming to the third sum, 32768. So 32768. First group, second group. Okay, first group number is 768. So ones digit, which is it? It is 8. 8 किसका क्यूब है? 2 क्यूब। सो इसका मतलब जो भी क्यूब रूट ऑफ 32768 has got 8 in the ones place. सो आंसर क्यूब रूट में वंस के प्लेस में आएगा 2. नाउ सेकेंड ग्रुप 32. Now 32 is between which two cubes? 27 and 64. Now 27 किसका है? 3 क्यूब और 64 4 क्यूब. अभी छोटा वाला नंबर टेंस में डालो. So the answer is cube root of 32768 is 32. Is it okay? So first we have to group the 3 digits from right side, and now first group 768, 8 is in the ones place. So which number has the cube 8 in the ones place? That is 2 cube is 8. That means the ones place the answer will have 2. Then for tens place, see the second group, 32 comes between 27 and 64. 27 is a 3 cube and 64 is 4 cube. So put the smaller digit, that is 3. Answer is 32. So we have completed the full lesson, cubes and cube roots. Hope you have understood all the sums. You have to practice the estimation method, especially you have to practice, and the prime factorization method you have to be careful while doing the division. The prime factorization you have to be careful. Okay. Thank you for watching the video. All the best.